Good morning. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to meal prep breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we're going to start off with some breakfast. I'm first going to start off by cutting some potatoes into small little pieces. Now I'm going to boil them with water and add some salt. Now we're going to be making the eggs, so I first washed all the vegetables that I'm going to be using. So I'm first cutting the tomatoes. Now I'm going to be cutting the green peppers. Now I'm going to be cutting the onions, and then I'm going to add everything in the eggs. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. We're going to add everything in the eggs and then we mix well. Now I added a little of olive oil so I can cook the eggs. I also added some cheese, and now is ready the egg omelet. I also added olive oil to cook the potatoes. So breakfast is ready, egg omelet with potatoes and some fruits. So for lunch, I made white rice, salmon, cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. Now I'm going to be making dinner. I'm first going to cut the eggplants into thin slices. Then I'm going to be adding the eggplant slices first in eggs, and then I'm going to add the breadcrumbs. This is a very easy and quick recipe that you can make at home. My eggplants are ready. Now we're going to fry them in the pan. I added olive oil, and then you fry them for a few minutes on each side. So the eggplants are ready now. So this is dinner. I had some eggplants and I added cheese on top, and then I had a salad on the side. It had chicken, blueberries, cheese, and strawberries. Don't forget to subscribe.